Wondering what separates beginners from seasoned anglers? These fishing lures might just be the secret weapon your tackle box is missing. When I first tried the Trucend lifelike fishing lures, I was genuinely impressed by their uncanny realism. These soft baits mimic actual baitfish both in color and movement, drawing in predatory fish with an irresistible swimming action. The durability of the material stands out, surviving multiple bites and tough weather conditions. What really struck me was how versatile they are. They adapt beautifully to both saltwater and freshwater setups, making them a reliable pick for any excursion. If there's a minor downside, it's that the hooks are extremely sharp, so handling with care is a must. Opening the Uber Youper fishing lures kit set felt like uncovering a treasure chest. The kit packs a wide variety of lures that cover different fishing situations, from crankbaits to spinnerbaits and everything in between. Each lure is vividly colored and well-crafted, with a sturdy build that withstands multiple catches. I found myself experimenting with new techniques and truly enjoying the convenience of having all these options neatly organized. The only slight catch is the box could be a bit larger for easier access when you're out on the water. The Trucend Easy Catch Swim Axe instantly caught my attention with its realistic jointed design and premium finish. As soon as it hits the water, its lifelike swimming action is nothing short of hypnotic for nearby fish. Every cast felt thrilling, knowing that the lure moved just like the real thing. The hooks were impressively sharp and reliable, securing catches with ease. Although the price is a tad steeper than some others, I genuinely felt it was justified by the consistent results on my line. Isn't the excitement of a successful strike worth it for a lure this well made? Trying out the Yongji fishing lures, I noticed straight away how eye-catching their colors and patterns are, making them stand out in both clear and murky waters. The variety in the pack allows you to target multiple species with confidence, and the weight gives them a great casting distance. I appreciated the solid hook quality, which delivered strong hook sets on even the biggest bites. Perhaps the only tiny reservation is that some smaller fish may struggle with the larger hooks, but for bigger game, these lures shine. Who doesn't want a set that covers so many fishing scenarios at such a good price? The Hengjia crankbait fishing lures surprised me with their stellar action under the surface. From the first cast, their tight wobble and vivid finish drew in base with impressive consistency. The build quality feels solid, resisting chips and scrapes from rocks or aggressive bites. Plus, the affordability of this pack is hard to beat when you consider how effective these lures can be on a busy day at the lake. My only note is that occasionally the paint may start to wear after heavy use. Isn't it amazing how a simple yet effective lure can revive your fishing trip? Using the Strike King Promodel crankbait was a game changer. I immediately noticed its perfect dive and sharp flutter as soon as I retrieved it. The precision engineering behind this lure gives it a natural feel in the water, triggering aggressive strikes from predators. I love seeing how reliably it attracted hits, especially in shallow rivers and streams. While it would be great if more color options came in a single pack, its performance more than makes up for it. Could this be the crankbait that finally helps you catch that elusive trophy fish? There's a real thrill to the surface strikes that the Trucend top water fishing lures deliver. Each cast sent the lure dancing and splashing, creating tempting ripples that even the most cautious fish couldn't resist. I appreciated the heavy-duty hooks and strong split rings. These lures are built to take some serious punishment. Although they are slightly heavier, which might not suit ultralight rods, the excitement they bring is worth the trade-off. Ready to experience that unforgettable moment when a fish explodes onto your lure right at the surface?